Hey YouTube, it's Robert Hall, and today I want to update you on a few details regarding the Godox AD400 Pro. So as you guys know, my version of the Godox AD400 Pro was a beta release. It was not a production model. So there have been a few minor changes that have been made to the production release that are different from things that I said in my first video. The first thing is something I guessed would happen, and that is the addition of 10-stop adjustments, just like they did on the Godox AD600 Pro. So you don't have to do firmware updates or anything. On the production model of the AD400 Pro, it's going to ship with the option in the menu to have 0.1 stop adjustments, and you can adjust that using the X Pro as long as it has the most up-to-date firmware. I'm really glad they added that. I also think it's something that we are only going to see on the Pro models, so I assumed that we would see it as an update on the AD400 Pro, but it's nice to know that they got it released before the first production set even went out, so that there's nothing the consumer has to do once they get their light. I made a little bit of a snide remark regarding the reflector that ships with the AD400 Pro, because most users that are using this light, if they're using any other Godox products, then they are likely using Bowens mount, which means they're going to use the Bowens adapter for the AD400 Pro so they can adapt it to all their Bowens modifiers. And I said the proprietary reflector that is included, which goes to the smaller of the mounts, not the Bowens mount, is pretty much useless, and that kind of makes it stupid. But fear not, you guys don't have to worry about that, because that was something that was just a problem with my beta release. The ones that go out on the production model, the smaller reflectors, they are two pieces, so you can actually remove the back part and it can slide in and fit into this proprietary mount even when the Bowens adapter is on here. So it's nice that they made that adjustment to the production model, because now there's a purpose to that reflector. I really don't have much to say beyond that. I've been loving the AD400 Pro. I've been using it more and more. Like I said, it's my new outdoor bright light option. I know they're shipping now. Other people are getting theirs, so you can finally order them. If you guys are interested, I've got a link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or if you just want to share your experience with the AD400 Pro, I'd love to hear what you guys think of this light now that people are receiving it. Like this video if it helped you out, subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, keep on shooting, YouTube.